Hello Kitty. Today's project, unpacking and see how it's gonna work. I got the smart liter box from chewy.com. So actually I already opened the box. Look at this pretty cool instructions. Actually should be fairly easy. Looks like 4 easy steps, and then it's gonna be probably gonna add a little bit later after I'm gonna connect to the networks, look like, because I could control it, and we'll see how it's gonna go. So that's the box, that's the instructions. The foam piece. Looks like everything is there. Looks like everything's straightforward. So we're gonna go unwrap this. Well, if you're not as strong as I am, you might want to grab a knife to cut this tape. So looks like this is the bottom, and okay, that's probably gonna go under. So that's what it looks like from around here. Now I'm gonna have to undo a bunch of this tapes. No stacking. So after I remove this tape, they recommend there's one more over here and one on this side. To open the lid, you have to press here, and the same one, so there's 2 on each side. So you grab it by hand, by pushing it, you lift it up. That's the best, the first step to assemble. And now at this point I have to, this is how they ship. They basically just stock everything in here to take it apart. A whole bunch of, you have to look for tapes. There's a signs over here to be sure to remove before use, otherwise it will cause damage to the machine. That's when you remove this drum over here. So you can remove it, and it pointed out to this tape. So you gotta pay attention. There's a whole bunch of this tape that secure this thing. Looks like this is just shipping, but we'll double check before we go. But looks like this is just a shipping bracket to secure this box so it wouldn't fly inside the box. So okay, so the first step, remove it, installing this 4 legs, and there's only really one way to do it, because there is a groove and have this plastic, so It's like a guiding groove. It's gonna go only one way. Make sure you push it all the way until you hear this. Probably can lay it like this. Set it down. Again, more tape. Make sure you remove all of this tape. I'm not sure what this tape over here is for. Okay, so we have it standing like this. Okay, next step, this thing should just slide under. And if you're gonna look at, there is a groove here. The box goes like this. So you don't have to lay it like that. Actually, it's removable every time like that. So this is just to show, and that's the look from the inside. That's the box, goes under. Even comes with the treasure bags. The manual, how to operate. So apparently, before you install the tray, you have to lay the liter bags in here. So you gotta do this first, then you slide that tray in place. That's the control. I wonder what this is. This looks like just it's in the plastic, so this is something to do with the smell. So at this point you just put this box in here. Again, you can put it only one way. This bearing over here goes in this groove over here. So you just slide it in there. Make sure you install it evenly like this. Covered it up like this. Just gonna click. Okay, obviously it's gonna be, this is just for test over here. So that's the plug. Click. Plug in the wall. There's the music. This is for cats for their paws. And it's already spinning. I gotta figure out where this smelly thing goes. So the smelly thing, so this comes in a plastic bag, you gotta cut it out. That's the, I wonder if you have to buy it every time. And gotta pay attention, there is another sticker here, they're covering the holes. Yeah, it's not that easy. So scratch it out, stick it in here. Strong. And just like that. Now I have to figure out the programming part, and if it's, how does it know if the cat go in there. So yeah, that's gonna be a way to figure out yet. So at this point, going through the manual, I have to load the app, install the app and go through there. But for now, to fill it up with the liter, you can again do the same way. Just really easy, open the cover, and through this opening you can dump the liter inside this compartment. And if you have one cat, once a week you can dump this, pull out the tray and dump it out. And when I figure out the app, I can probably show you the next steps after this. But the whole assembly, at this point now I need to put liter in there. And again, this part is really easy. Click it to open. You have to push these two tabs on each side. That's what this box looks like. Now the important thing, to make sure that our cat's gonna like this thing. According to manual, cat's supposed to get used to this new litter box within a month. So we have 3 cats. They are pretty cautious about this thing for now, first day. So after one cat visited new litter box, it takes 6 minutes for the compound to get hardened, and now it's supposed to do the scooping. So here's the app with the T, but it could be different. You can always upload it by screening the QR code in your manual. This is pretty useful tool. So you could have, like today, this is all information. So 4 number of toilet uses today, 4. You can use it manually, empty, clean, reset. And then there's like all information. You can, like we have 3 cats, by going into information, you actually see what happens, and it shows the weight even of the cat, so you can figure out which one of your cats was using that. Like in my case, for now I have 3 cats. One of the 3 is super scared about this thing. So again, there's a different lighting inside the litter box. You can use red, blue, white, whatever.
Computer double check.
The brightness you can set up. Also delay time, and that's pretty important thing, because after cat went to the litter box,
The idea is to the stuff that's left by the pee from cats or poop, it could harden and wrapped in the litter. And so normally, like right now it says 60 minutes, we normally do it like 6 minutes. That's the suggestion by the manual, and that's basically all kind of information, and you can use it pretty much from anywhere in the world. That's the useful thing. You can see if your cat's using it, not using it. I mean, again, which of the cats is using if you have multiple cats. So that's the app. Pretty easy interface, easy to use, give you additional options, information about this robotic litter box. Well, that's how it works. So one of our 3 cats looks like learned how to use it. 2 more to go.